The underwater realm is a treasure trove of extraordinary creatures, and among them, octopuses stand out with their mesmerizing appearance and remarkable abilities. With over 300 known species, each possessing its own distinct characteristics, octopuses are a constant source of wonder. So, today I'm going to tell you about 10 most beautiful octopus species that adorn our planet. 1. Greater Blue Ringed Octopus. There are not many octopuses in the classification that are considered venomous. For the most part, an octopus cannot do anything to humans. However, this is not the case with the Greater Blue Ringed Octopus. They are one of 4 known species that are highly venomous. These beautiful octopuses have blue rings dotted all over a yellow to orange body, each of which is highly venomous. The Greater Blue Ringed Octopus is thought to be the most toxic of any of the world's marine animals. The rings seemingly glow when the octopus is angry, acting as a warning color. Instead of manufacturing ink, like many other octopuses, this species creates a poison mixed with tetrodotoxin, just as the poisonous pufferfish is. The venom is particularly lethal against humans. 2. Mimic Octopus. The mimic octopus is an incredibly unique octopus with the ability to camouflage itself, better than almost any other octopus. They have brown and white stripes that cover their entire body. With these colors and patterns, they can enlarge their arms and reshape their bodies to impersonate other dangerous marine animals. This ability allows them to mimic predators instead of being the prey, effectively scaring off many of their common killers. 3. Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo Octopus is one of the most well-known Sirena octopus species. They are deep-sea animals, as many of the other species are in this suborder. These creatures are relatively small, only reaching heights of about 8 inches tall. They look as though they don't have arms, or if their arms were fringe on the bottom of their body, since they have webbing extending from each one. Dumbo octopuses live on the ocean floor anywhere from 9,800 to 13,000 feet deep, making them the deepest living of all the known octopus species. They have the typical fins on their mantle that make them look like they have huge ears, similar to the elephant in Disney's 1941 film. 4. Common Blanket Octopus. The common blanket octopus can also be called the violet blanket octopus. They are a large octopus found globally in any zone of warm seawater. The blanket octopus gets its name from the transparent webbing that connects to their dorsolateral and dorsal arms on the females. The rest of their arms are very short and do not have any webbing, making it look like they have blankets flowing behind them as they swim. They use these blankets when they feel threatened, releasing them in the water to increase their size significantly. 5. Caribbean Reef Octopus. The Caribbean Reef Octopus is another one of those species that prefer to live in the warm coastal waters along Mexico's coastline to the Bahamas, but they have also been found off the West Indies. They are shallow water octopuses, usually living in depths from 10 to only 65 feet. The Caribbean Reef Octopus get their name from their preferred habitat, the coral reefs they use for their dens. As more of these reefs are destroyed because of warming waters, so are their homes. These octopuses are also one of the shorter-lived species, living only 10 to 12 months in the wild. Interestingly, they are also quite cannibalistic and territorial, protecting their dens from other octopuses in their territory and eating them. 6. Lilliput Longarm Octopus. These octopuses can also be called the Atlantic longarm octopus. Although they are a small octopus species, they have incredibly long arms that extend out much farther than the typical length of twice the head height. The Lilliput longarm octopus has a wide range. It calls home around the globe. They have been seen in the Caribbean, Indian Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea. They are especially good at camouflaging themselves to hide from predators, but they have to move to feed. When they do this, they flatten themselves out with the arms streaming out beside them. This shape makes them look like flatfish and helps them continue blending in the sand, hugging the ocean floor so closely that they don't even form a shadow. 7. Starsucker Pygmy Octopus. Another one of the smallest octopuses scientists have found to date is the starsucker pygmy octopus. They only weigh 0.5 to 1 ounce when they are full grown and extend from 1 to 3 inches long. These little octopuses were discovered in the western Pacific Ocean in 1913. They are typically a sandy orange with adorable little arms lined with tiny suckers. They prefer to live in shallow waters, from 2 to 90 feet deep, hunting around for small mollusks and other crustaceans. 8. Flapjack Octopus. The flapjack octopus is one of the umbrella octopuses. Their webbing and short legs cause them to look like a deep red blob of jelly when they are settled. They are a sirena octopus with fins above their eyes. They eat small fish and some crustaceans, living off the coasts of Japan and California at depths of between 1,100 to 5,000 feet. They are relatively popular in pop culture, having been used by Disney in Finding Nemo for Pearl, one of Nemo's classmates. 9. East Pacific Red Octopus. These octopuses are a gorgeous red color resembling reefs and rocks around them. This color and habitat have given them their name, although colloquially, they are known as just red octopus. These octopuses are deep-sea feeders. They typically feed in depths of about 1,000 feet, but live in shallow water along the west coast of North America. Even though the species was discovered in the mid-1800s, their official taxonomy is still unresolved. As scientists continue to research and classify octopuses, they believe that this species may end up joining a subspecies or species complex of another type of octopus. 10. Giant Pacific Octopus. The giant Pacific octopus is one of the most gigantic octopuses in the world by quite a bit. The Guinness Book of World Records lists the largest of these animals weighing in at 300 pounds, although there has been a report of one weighing about 600 pounds with an arm span of about 30 feet. The species lives in the Pacific Ocean off the western coastline of the United States, Canada, and Alaska, and the eastern coastline of Russia and Southeast Asia. You can generally find giant Pacific octopuses in as shallow water as a tidal pool and down to such depths of 5,000 feet. Their ideal habitat is in and around areas with a soft substrate, like mud or sand. They are often found in groups near kelp fields for large feeds. Interestingly, even though they have such a wide-ranging habitat, they are ectothermic, with a metabolism that depends on water temperature. So, the ocean is home to a myriad of fascinating creatures, and octopuses are amongst the most elusive and captivating. With their unique physical attributes and uncanny intelligence, octopuses never fail to astonish. Don't forget to comment, which is your favorite octopus in this video.